Did you know that simply refrigerating your cooked rice can transform it into a weight loss ally? It sounds surprising, but let's delve into how this kitchen hack works and how you can safely incorporate it into your diet. The science behind leftover rice and weight loss. When rice is cooked and then cooled, it undergoes a process called refrigerating, which increases its resistant starch content. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and ferments in the large intestine. This process offers several benefits. Reduced caloric absorption. Since resistant starch isn't fully broken down and absorbed, it contributes fewer calories compared to regular starch. Some studies suggest that this method can reduce the calories in rice by up to 60%. Enhanced satiety. Resistant starch acts like dietary fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Improved gut health. As it ferments, resistant starch feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health. How to prepare lower-calorie rice. To maximize the resistant starch in your rice, follow these steps. Cook the rice. Prepare your rice as usual. Add a healthy fat. Optional. Adding a teaspoon of coconut oil during cooking can further increase resistant starch formation. Cool the rice. Once cooked, let the rice cool at room temperature for a short period, then refrigerate it for at least 12 hours. Reheat safely. When ready to eat, reheat the rice thoroughly. If the resistant starch remains intact even after reheating. Safety considerations. While this method offers health benefits, it's crucial to handle rice safely to prevent foodborne illnesses. Avoid room temperature storage, as it can harbor harmful bacteria like Bacillus cereus. Prompt refrigeration. Cool the rice quickly and store it in the refrigerator within 2 hours of cooking. Consume within a few days. Eat refrigerated rice within 3-4 days, and ensure it's reheated to steaming hot before consuming. Incorporating leftover rice into your diet. Here are some practical ways to enjoy refrigerated rice. Salads. Use cold rice as a base for hearty salads with vegetables and lean proteins. Stir fries. Reheat rice in a stir fry with plenty of veggies and a source of protein for a balanced meal. Soups. Add cold rice to soups during the last few minutes of cooking to bulk up the dish. Actionable takeaways. Refrigerating cooked rice increases its resistant starch content, which can aid in weight loss and improve gut health. Always handle and store rice properly to prevent foodborne illnesses. Incorporate leftover rice into various meals to enjoy its benefits conveniently. By making this simple change in how you prepare and store rice, you can enjoy your favorite dishes while supporting your weight loss goals. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.